this is the chicken here, which is really, I normally come here and yeah, that's the chicken they have there. Is that beautiful? Yeah. This is the Greek style cooking, so that's the food. You can also order that one, which is like a seafood kind of thing. This one, I don't know. What's the name of this?
This one called dolmades.
Dolmades? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
They vine leaves
Okay.
stuck up with rice and herbs.
Oh, okay.
Very nice this one.
Oh, okay.
Greek sushi.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay. So, yeah.
You want to try business? Good business.
No.
No, salad.
No way, I can't afford it. No way. I am promoting it.
You put it on the Facebook?
No, I'm actually a blogger.
Good.
I'm a
A
YouTuber.
good comment.
Yeah, so I would like to promote her. And you can also like it's actually the drinks here. So if you really want this is all they have. So for those of you who are here in Australia, the name of the store is Alektor.
Here, what video please?
Oh, okay. What is that? Okay. Oh, that's a very nice one. That's beautiful. So that's the, oh, wow.
That's pork
Yeah?
with potatoes. Cook them on slow. Okay? And maybe 3 hours. That'll be.
Okay, so this is the owner of the store. So
Alektor.
Alektor, yeah, that's this store there. Okay, so very nice.
Yeah. And then, it's time for the leg of lamb.
The
Boneless.
Yeah. Like a lot like. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Can you please say hi to my
Sino?
yeah, say hi to them. Say hi
Hello.
from Australia. Just say something.
Chinese?
Huh?
中国?
No.
Chinese?
No.
I speak Chinese.
No, Filipino.
Thank you very much.
Filipino. Just say something.
Yeah, what would you like me to say?
Just say
Today
hello.
we cook
Hello.
pork
Yeah.
on the slow flame with sweet potatoes and just normal potatoes. They're coming out. In 3-4 minutes they're coming out. You need any chips? By the time I cook chips, the chickens will come out. You want to cut up? Huh? Yeah.
So say something to my viewers. Just say hello.
If you would like to eat the best food, Alektor is here. This is Alektor,
Yeah.
#1 chicken shop.
Very good.
Hello everybody.
Yeah. Say. And just say hello to Philippines. Just say hi to Philippines.
Hi.
People to the Philippines.
They what?
To the Philippines.
Hello from Philippines. Hello to Philippines from Australia.
Excellent.
Excelente.
Yeah. Thank you much. What's in Greek? How do you say in Greek?
Ευχαριστώ.
Huh?
Ευχαριστώ.
It's Kali. Thank you.
Megalo.
Thank you so much, Megalo. That's it. And so this is the store. So yeah, he's a very friendly guy. So
Thank you.
thank you so much. Store here in Australia. So if you really like to buy, this is a very good good store. So that's what you can buy from here. And yeah, I hope you will come. Looks like they're beautiful. Isn't that nice? Wow! So yeah. So I hope all of you can come and visit us. Alektor. Real. You will not believe it, guys. It's so tasty. I've been here. This is my actually second time. This is my second time here. Is it? Yeah. So and I really like it. So I hope you guys will come and visit the store here. So yeah, thank you so much everyone for watching. So guys, I'm just here waiting for my order and I will show you later. The guy that was talking before, he was actually the owner. So he was so friendly, guys.
He makes chicken.
Very accommodating. So if you guys have a chance, come and visit this store. It's a very look at that. It's so beautiful. Yeah, so that's fine. Thank you. Sir, excuse me, sir. I'm gonna make you famous, okay? You will be on my YouTube.
My name?
Yes.
My name is Costa.
Costa, okay. Say hi. I will make you famous.
Very famous.
You're already famous, but I'll make you more.
Beautiful.
He's a very friendly guy, and he owns this place. So if you have a chance, you come and visit his store. Yes, please. So here, guys, this is where they put the chicken. because I ordered one whole chicken and she cut it for me, and it ended up cost like $16 guys, so $16 now. And also I ordered some chips, which is really crispy and beautiful. So look at the chicken guys, isn't that pretty? So that's, I ordered that much. I'm nearly done, so that's how they do it. They'll cover it for you and then they'll put it into boxes. Thank you so much, darling. Yes, please. Thank you. 1 minute. Yeah. So there you go, guys. That's how they put their order, and then thank you very much. And this is a beautiful lady here. Look at that. She's so pretty. Nice to meet you. Can you say hi to my viewers?
Hi, hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi, everyone.
From Australia. This is
From Australia.
oh, thank you. Thank you. She's so beautiful, isn't she? Look at that. Thank you so much, darling.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you so much. Thank you. Can you say hi to my viewers, please?
Say hi, viewers. Come and see me. I'm
Look at.
looking for a wife.
Oh, really? What's your name?
Philippine wife.
Victor.
Oh, Victor.
I need a
Okay.
Filipino wife.
Oh, really? I'm not. You're kidding. You're already married. You're already married. I know.
No.
No, no, no. I think he's kidding. I think.
Single,
so
looking.
What's your name?
Victor.
Yeah, Victor, and
That's all
Victor is from Australia, guys. So there you go. Isn't that thing so handsome?
Yeah, I'm so handsome.
Isn't it? Look at the hair. It's a very unique style of hair. So thank you so
They
much.
come visit me.
Oh my God!
Oh,
For a bride.
thank you. Thank you so
Ask
much.
my sister here.
Thank you. Are you single?
Pardon?
Is he really? He's very single. Very single. What's his name there? So your
Crazy.
is that your brother too? Oh, okay. So how many of you?
Like 4.
Oh wow!
Five.
Wow! Anyway, thank you so much, everybody. You're the princess. Wow! So look at that guys. They're very friendly people here. So yeah.
What's your name?
Charita.
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 I don't want to say it wrong.
Charita.
Charita.
Can you say hi to my boys?
Hello. How is
Listen.
everybody?
From Australia.
From Australia, Melbourne.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm the Black Master.